That stock is AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. As you can see, the stock has gone up by about 12.5% in a short period, and that's a very strong performance. But even more impressive is that over the last major bullish wave, starting from April 6, 2025, until now, roughly 3 months, the stock has nearly doubled in value, up around 106%. If we measure from the bottom to the top using the measuring tool, we can see that it went from $80 to over $155.57, which is a big move. Previously, the stock had reached a peak near $220, then dropped all the way to $80, and now it has bounced back and is trading around $155, clearly showing a lot of volatility. So, what caused this recent rise? The rally that started from the $80 level was supported by a strong support zone around $95. That level was very important because it stopped the drop that began from $120, and when the price touched $95, it rebounded strongly. This is very typical in technical analysis. Strong support levels often lead to upward movement. Now, if we take a look at the chart, we'll notice that there was a downtrend line. And the stock broke above that trend line, but it hasn't come back to retest it yet, and that's something we need to pay attention to. So it's quite possible we could see a correction in the coming days or weeks for a potential retest of that broken trend line. This means that entering the stock right now is a bit risky, and there are 2 reasons why. The stock has already rallied over 100% from its recent bottom, and that's usually followed by a correction or profit-taking phase. After breaking the downtrend line, it didn't come back for a retest, which is technically not ideal. If we draw a Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, we'll see that the stock has broken above the 50% level, which now acts as a support around $151.92, so we can simply say that $150 is the current key support. So, to summarize, as long as the stock stays above $150, it could continue rising towards $170, which is a strong resistance level. But if it breaks below $150 and closes under it on the weekly chart, we might see a larger correction or a retest of the old trend line. For those who already hold the stock and are in profit, stay in the trade as long as it's above $150. But if it breaks that level to the downside, be very cautious, because the price could go lower. And besides $170, there are other important resistance levels. $187. And the main peak around $226. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this a helpful and educational analysis of AMD stock. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to support the channel and encourage me to keep making more content for you. Wishing you all the best, see you in the next videos, God willing.